Hey guys, coming in here for round two. Got cut off there on the last recording as it only lets me do 15 minutes at a time. But we were talking about REE, but we'll actually move on to THM, which is in a revival pattern. We didn't get the strongest close I wanted to see here today. We actually did get some sellers into the close. We are ticking down to about 70 to 71 in after hours trading. But the overall revival pattern here on this stock is extremely bullish. You can see we've been coming in on a very, very bearish trend for quite some time now. We finally hit the base and we're in that breakout level zone at around 60, the high 60 cent levels or 70. It's kind of not the clearest breakout. As you can see, we spiked up over here at about 69 cents and we spiked over here twice at 73. And then we also have a couple spikes back here that are going to act as resistance levels. But we are forming up this kind of area of resistance, and we have the base built in this level, and we do have some nice volume coming in. Gold stocks have been on the move lately. I'm in several small cap golds, GSS, other ones are like AUMN as well. So I like these mineral plays and gold plays at the moment. If the market flips to the downside, we could see some strength in gold. So I want to be in these stocks when the market's looking like it could potentially see some downside move. And also, it's just a great looking FOUS4 revival pattern with an easy, target of $1 per share, which would be the short-term target. But if it does break out above this 71 level, get some volume and actually sustains a nice breakout, this thing could seriously explode up to $2 per share. If we get some sustained momentum. Not to say it's going to do that, but that's what can happen on these gold pattern revival pattern breakouts, especially once they hit that dollar roll. So we'll see how it goes. Who knows? I almost even stopped out today. I could easily stop out tomorrow. It's a risky play, and I'm fairly heavily in here. I got 33,000 shares of THM, so I could easily lose a couple grand on this stock if it just has a little bit of selling pressure in it. So hopefully we sustain momentum and we can continue to break out above this neckline area. It's basically in between 70 to 80 cents. We need to get over that area and then rip hopefully to $1 per share or higher. But the $1 per share is going to be the first initial profit target. So THM looks good. Mineral stocks are pretty hot right now. What else we got? GSS was another gold stock that I'm in at the moment. Same exact kind of pattern as THM. It's a revival slash gold pattern as we're under $1 moving towards that dollar breakout. This is a little bit more of a clear breakout right around 84 to 85 cents. I got in here off the watch list last night at 75 cents. Still got 20,000 shares of GSS. If we break out over this 84-cent level, I'll probably load up again and hopefully see a nice breakout here and push towards 1 or even higher. If first target's going to be $1 per share and potentially even higher than that. But short-term wise, we just want to get upwards of $1 per share. But we got to get that 84-cent revival pattern trigger to break out there. So we'll see what's going on. I'm still long swinging this thing, 20,000 shares. But anyways, that's about it for the stocks I want to talk about. I just wanted to come in and go over those last two plays for the moment. Hopefully we see some more momentum going into this week. So far, so good. Last week we freaking killed it. Today we killed it again with a lot of good plays, even though the market dropped as low as 200 points at one point today. So there's always opportunities out there. You just got to be able to find them and be there at the right time. Anyways, that's it for today's video lesson, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning in chat.